Hi everybody, I'm going to make this intro very brief. I'm going to change out 2 different shower heads in 2 different bathrooms, and let's go take a shower. Okay, first we're going to start with unboxing the shower head. Removing all the parts, the bypass valve, the Teflon tape, rubber washers, and the hose. I have an Amazon link for this shower head in the description below this video. Take this bypass valve out of the plastic bag, and this stopper is for the bypass valve to keep it at the right angle. Teflon tape and rubber washers. Okay, now I'm going to take a rubber washer and place it between the hose flange and the shower handle and tighten it up. Okay, let's take all these parts to the shower. Now, don't use pliers or vice grips on any chrome parts. Yeah, now you can see I've got a washcloth here, and I'm taking off the shower head. Yeah, this works really well. Oops, a little bit of water came out. Okay, so now I'm coming in with some Barkeeper's Friend just to polish the, it removes rust. So it can polish up the chrome, and it actually does remove some rust. Yep, here I'm polishing. And then I can clean everything up really well. You're going to see the before and after shot right here. Okay, we're coming in with some Teflon tape, and you want to make sure that you come in with Teflon tape in a clockwise direction. This Teflon tape came with the shower head. I think you saw in the video ahead of time where I was trying to be prepared with some extra Teflon tape. So here I'm installing the stopper and the bypass valve. So yeah, we've got to tighten this bypass valve up really good, and then we can adjust the stopper. Yeah, I've got a quarter turn there, so let's back this off and then tighten the stopper down and make it a little bit tight. Okay, coming in with some more Teflon tape. And again, make sure you go clockwise with it. And then we're going to install the shower head. Okay, and now we're coming in to install the hose. You need a rubber washer between the flange and the bypass valve. Sorry, this is a little bit blurry. Okay, I'm coming back in to tighten up the washer, the rubber washer between the flange and the bypass valve. And we're just going to tighten this up a little bit. You don't want to over tighten it. It'll cause the rubber washer to fail. And now we're going to test the shower. Here's the lower shower head, the bypass valve, and now the upper handle, and both shower heads. Look how nice. And there you go. Okay, so I didn't have to use pliers and a washcloth on this shower head. Yeah, this comes off pretty easy. Now coming in with some Teflon tape. Again, make sure you go counterclockwise, not counterclockwise, clockwise. The reason you go clockwise is to ensure that the Teflon tape compresses. I have another Amazon link for this Kohler shower head in the description below this video. And then, yeah, come in with a crescent wrench and just take it a little bit tighter. And there you go. Let's see how this works. Very nice.